major tsunami has struck northeastern Japan, sending a 4-meter wall of water inland, which is currently causing widespread devastation. Now, the tsunami that is currently underway in the northeast of the country was caused by an 8.9 magnitude earthquake, and that struck 130 kilometers off the Pacific coast. Well, aftershocks have been felt within the last few minutes, and so far 23 people are confirmed dead, but that number has been rising and is expected to rise. Now, there are also reports that the first wave has reached Russia's Kuril Islands to the north, reportedly around a meter high. The waves of around a meter high. But as you can see in the pictures, you have massive walls of waves just eating up everything in its path. Now, in the devastation, there are about 200 people who have reportedly been washed away. Several others missing on Japan's Sendai Island. Now, that is the part of the country that's closest to the epicenter. Of course, the damage, the quake itself was also felt in Tokyo, with fires and injuries wide.
Attention, everyone. This is an emergency broadcast. The unpleasant noise you are about to hear coming from your radio is not a mistake. Please do not turn off your radio, but turn up the volume on your receiver as high as it can go, so that you can make the sound we broadcast as loud as possible.
Reported. They are still trying to calculate the economic costs. So if damage to infrastructure, right now you're looking at an oil refinery that is ablaze in Ichihara, Chiba Prefecture, and the authorities are still having a hard time containing the blaze. Has been going on for quite some time now. Now the Narita International Airport is also reportedly shut down. Now, just to remind you, an 8.9 earthquake hit the northeastern part of the country.